Hi, boys and girls. These are your vocabulary words for Unit 3, Lesson 2. We're going to be talking about your skeletal system. So the first vocabulary word is, and there's a lot of them because we're doing all of the words for this lesson, for the read aloud and for the chapter in your book. So there's quite a few. So stick with me. Get out your vocabulary journal, and here we go. The first word is axial bones. Say it with me. Axial bones. This is a noun. It's the bones that are located down the center or axis of a vertebrate's body. Axial bones. So it goes down the center of the body, right here. The next word is cartilage. That's a noun. Say it with me. Cartilage. Some people say cartilage. It's cartilage. It's strong, elastic tissue that can be found in places like the tip of the nose and the top of the ears. And you can feel it there. Feel the tip of your nose and feel the top of your ears. Feel what that cartilage feels like. The next word is cranium. Say it with me. Cranium. It is a noun. It's the skull, the hard bones that protect the brain and give the head its shape. So this part right here, the skull. Spinal column. This is also a noun. Say it with me. Spinal column. It's the backbone. The series of vertebrae that extend from the neck to the tailbone. And you can see it in the drawing right here, how long it is and how far it extends in our bodies. The next word is also a noun. It is structure. Say it with me. Structure. It's a form or shape, something that is made up of a number of parts arranged together. The next word is expand. Expand. Actually, this should be a verb, not a noun. So put a V here where you see an N. Put a V there instead of an N. Write it on the line. It means to get bigger. Next is fibula. This is a noun. The small outside bone in the lower part of your leg. So it's the bone in the lower part of your leg. Fibula. Say it with me. Fibula. Next is pelvis. And I'm realizing, I think maybe these words are not in the same order as they are in your journal, and I apologize for that. You'll have to find them. It's kind of like a scavenger hunt, I suppose. The next one is pelvis, and this is a noun. Write it on the line. These are your hip bones. Next is scapula. This is a noun. Those are your shoulder blades. Say it with me. Scapula. Scapula. Next we have shoulder blades. This is a noun. Write it on the line. Triangle-shaped bones at the top of your back. Maybe it is in the right order. Skeletal system is next. Say it with me. Skeletal system. It's a noun. Write it on the line. And this just means all of your bones. The skeletal system is all of your bones. Next we have skull. We're at the top of page 5 now. Say it with me. Skull. It's a noun. It's your head. Next we have sternum. Say it with me. Sternum. That's also a noun. It's your breastbone right here. It's your breastplate right between your rib cage. Kind of hold your rib cage together. Next, we have tibia. Say it with me. Tibia. Write it on the line. Those are your shin bones. Shin bones. And last, we have vertebrae. Say it with me. Vertebrae. That's a noun. It's small bones that are part of the spinal column or backbone. So each one of these is a vertebrae, and they make up your spinal column. They make up your backbone, but each one of those is a vertebrae. These are all the vocabulary words you're going to need to learn about your skeletal system, boys and girls. So make sure you have them all in your vocabulary journal, and you are submitting to me pages 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5 to show me that you've done all of your vocabulary words.